Hey designer, Alex here. Welcome to this course about Inception design system for Adobe XD. If you want to check out the full playlist with all the videos, make sure to click here or to click down in the description below. Link is going to be there. So enjoy this lesson. Alright, so in this lesson we are going to talk about file structure of Inception design system, and I want to get you familiar with how I structure this file so that you can get your head around it quite easily. So here we are in Adobe XD, and this is the Inception design system, and the key thing right here is to understand how I organized this design system, but don't make this limit you. You can organize these files however you want. That's the whole point of a design system, is not to limit you in any way, but to help you along and to help you speed things up as much as possible while you are designing. So here is how I structured it. So right here on the left hand side we have colors, we have main colors and supporting colors, which you can see if I open up these drop down arrows for these groups. And the key thing right here is everything is organized into groups and subgroups, which I'm going to get to in just a second, but I want to quickly show you this. So I have main colors, which are just singular colors, and I have supporting colors, and what you're going to notice right here is I don't have shades of colors. I did this on purpose because I don't want to limit you too much. If you want to get shades from these particular colors or from your colors or from your client's colors, it's going to be much easier for you just to click and add these shades. For example, you can add a master color, master swatch right here, and then add shades from that particular master swatch, or you can go the other way around and then add shades and finally add the master swatch. Once again, complete idea behind this design system is not to limit you in any way, but to help you speed things up as much as possible. So once again, these are the colors. Below that we have character styles. So we have headlines and we have body. Now Proxima Nova is the font which is used for this design system, and it's Adobe font. You can find it on fonts.adobe.com. Link is going to be in the PDF once you actually get the design system, so it's much easier for you to access it. The whole point behind fonts, and we are going to have a dedicated video down the line, a dedicated lesson for the fonts, is once again not to limit you in any way. I use just one font and I use these sizes, but you can use as many fonts as you want. For example, for headlines you can use one font, for body font you can use other font, you can use different font families if you want to, different ways, so it's all up to you. I just did this as a placeholder so that you guys can take this and take it to another level for your particular project. So once again we have character styles, so headlines and body. Below that we have atoms and molecules. So if I click right here, and don't click on the name because that's going to open up all the subfolders, but if you just click on the arrow, which is the top tip right here, it's going to open up just that particular folder. So we have grids, logos, icons, avatars, all of these things, which I'm going to come through in a separate video and explain in depth about all of them. But atoms and molecules is what you can see right here, and generally it's this top portion of the design system. So these are all atoms and molecules, and this is where I started. So we have character styles right here, we have colors right here, and then we have atoms and molecules created from these character styles and these colors. So atoms and molecules are right here at the top. If I close this, what we have below is flowcharts. So if I open up the flowcharts, you can see we have task flows, we have desktop flowcharts, mobile flowcharts, and flowchart elements. Flowcharts are located right here at this left hand side at the bottom. So all of these things which I mentioned, so task flow and desktop, mobile, and flowchart elements, are all in this left hand side. And then finally, you are going to notice we have templates. So if I open up this master folder, we have large, medium, and small. Large is for desktop, medium is for tablet, small is for mobile, and you can see them right here. So this is large right here, this is medium right here, and this is small right here. Once again, this is all how I organize these things. What you can do is organize this design system however it suits you, so that it works best for you, but this is how I structured it. So this video is just to highlight the overall structure of this design system. Inception design system comes with two files, master file and light file, and that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. What's the difference between these two and what you should use which one for. So I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out the previous one from this playlist, make sure to click right here, or to check out the next one from this playlist, make sure to click right here. If you want to see full playlist for all videos from this course, make sure to check down in the description below. Link for the full playlist is going to be down there in case you missed something.